It's your girlfriend, Madara, assistant to Dr. Buhari, international pain healer who heals and cures all types of body pain in just 5 minutes with the words of Allah, that is Allah Akbar, and to the spiritual powers he inherited from his forefathers. Doctor is someone who has cured more than 7,000 patients in Gambia, and he is from Sharif family. But apart from Dr. being a pain healer, he is also a researcher who has been researching for over 22 years, and during the research, his research was based on human organs and organics and plants, and during the research, he developed a plant called Fahem, and that Fahem, he extract a leaf from it and make some syrups out of it. This Fahem plant was not naturally good. It was developed by Dr. Buhari by using 3 different types of plant with the crafted procedure. So he extract a leaf from the Fahem plant and make some syrups out of it. This is one of the medicines. This is one of his syrup. So today I'm going to focus on only the MP leaf, the causes and the symptoms of pains and the causes and how to heal it with this leaf. So this plant is called the MP leaf. It's an MP leaf muscle bandage which work by relaxing the muscles and to let the blood flow free in the veins. It cures all different types of pain. One, it cures joint pain, muscle stiffness, back pain, arthritis, and also it causes springs and straits. It is a very effective medicine, and it's 100% natural, as you can see. I will start with the joint pain. Like most of the time, what causes joint pain? Joint pain can be caused by a various factors, including arthritis, injury or trauma to the joint, overrust or strain, inflammations, and autoimmune disease. And whenever you have a joint pain, you will have a symptoms like the symptoms of the joint pain may include stiffness, swelling, warmth or redness around the joint, limited range of the motion, weakness and tenderness. So if you have any symptoms like that, you obviously know that So whenever you have joint pain, you will see these symptoms like stiffness, swelling, or warmth, or even redness around the joint, and even weakness and tenderness. You will feel all those types of you will see all those type of symptoms or signs. And whenever you see those signs or symptoms, know that you are having a joint pain. And in order to control the pain, like to control the tenderness and the redness of the pain, you need to apply this leaf. It is very effective and it has no chemical, like it has no side effect, and it will heal and all the pains will go on within 14 or more hours. Then the second one, we have muscle stiff. Muscle stiff can result from overreactions, prolonged physical activities, postures, stress, dehydration, and certain medical conditions such as fibromyalgia or myofascial pain syndrome. So the muscle pain, what is explained about the muscle pain, it's like it can result from any of those mentioned above, like one, posture, stress, dehydration, or certain medical conditions such as fibroids and some things such as fibroids or myofascial pain syndromes. So, and the symptoms of the muscle stiffness include tightness or tension in the muscles, reduced flexibility completely, difficulty moving or performing activities, pain or discomfort, and muscle cramps. So if you see any of these symptoms, like you start feeling like you cannot move your muscles normally as it's supposed to be, or like it reduces the flexibility, it's the same thing, or the tightness or the tenderness of the muscle, know that you have muscle stiffness. And in order to control it, you need to apply the leaf, the same leaf too. It controls the muscle tightness, it controls everything, and it will make your joints to move normally. For example, if you have a muscle tightness, you know, in the muscles we have liquids, we have between the joints there's a liquid. So if the maybe if you accidentally hit, or if you accidentally have something injured, like the muscle will not be, it will move, it will not be on the same lane, like it will not be like the way it used to be. So it will cause like tightness of the muscle, because the liquid has already dropped off. So the muscle will be tight, you will not be able to move your hand properly. So in order to control it, you need to apply this leaf. As you see, is the MP leaf. It is very effective, and it's very, it's a natural thing, and there's no chemical, and it has no side effect. And again, for the back pain, if you have back pain also, you need to apply this. Like back pain can be caused by a variety of factors, including muscle strains or springs, ligament injuries, herniated discs, spinal stenosis, osteoarthritis, poor gestures, poor postures, obesity, sedentary lifestyle, and stress. All this can cause back pain, like stress, like ligament injuries, like muscle strains. All this can cause back pain, like spinal cord pains, everything. And if you have symptoms like symptoms of back pain may include dull, aching pain in the lower, middle, or upper back, shooting or stabbing pain that radiates down the leg, sciatica, stiffness or reduced flexibility, difficulties standing upright, and muscle spasms. So if you see any symptoms like that, know that you are having a back pain, and please come for the medicine. It's very effective. It also controls the back pain, it controls the stiffness, the joint pain, and everything. Like it's both internal and external pain. If you start using this medicine, you will see the improvement of the leaf. You will see the improvement of the leaf, because it will relax your muscles. Like it will relax your muscles, and all the pains will be gone within a couple of hours. And the fourth one, we have arthritis. Arthritis is inflammation of one or more joints, can be caused by factors such as aging, wear, and tear on the joints, autoimmune disorders, metabolic disorders, infections, or injuries. All this can be cause of arthritis. If you have any of this, you have to prevent yourself from all those mentioned above, because they are all causes of arthritis. And if you see the if you feel like the symptoms of arthritis include joint pain, swelling, stiffness, warmth or readiness around the joint, limited range of motion, and deformities in several cases. So if you see any signs like that, know that you have arthritis. Like it's something which is very discomfort, and it can lead to stiffness or joint pain, or even swelling or redness around the joints. So in order to control the arthritis, you need to come and get these medicines from our clinic. We have these medicines there. Like it's very effective, and it has no side effect, and it has no chemical. We have seen so many patients, like arthritis patients, back pain patients, people coming with their different types of pain, and this medicine have healed them within 14 hours or less than that, because the medicine used to be it stays on you for 14 hours, but when if you apply it at the first, you will feel like the heat is coming in, and when the heat started when the heat started coming in, you'll feel like something is punching you inside. So it's controlling the stiffness, it's controlling the redness or the swallowing of the pain. So it helps you to recover the pain very quick. And also the fifth one is sprains and strains. Causes of strains occurs when ligaments, the taut bands of tissue that connect bones to due to sudden twisting or impact. That means that like when you are into any physical thing that will squeeze your joints or even will squeeze your joint, that will squeeze your joint in or to develop any impact on your joints. That's the strain and the strain. So in order to or the damage on the joints or the muscles, you need to apply this medicine. And if you see symptoms like pain, swallowing, bruises, instability in the affected joint, difficulties moving or bearing weight on the injury limb, and muscle cramps, you need to apply this. Like most of the time, if you involve yourself in any physical activity and you get wound, or maybe like your joint twisted, maybe for that instant you will not feel any swallowness, or you will feel only pain, but you will not feel any redness or anything. But after it will develop, it will get swollen, and also you will feel so much pain. And again, if the skin is light, you will see the redness of the affected side. So in order to control that, you need to come and Adama Baji, thank you very much. You need to come and apply the leaf. The leaf is a very effective one. We have seen people who has come with different sickness like joint pain, muscle pain, strains, arthritis, and so on, back pain, spinal cord, waist pain, and they have all, it has cured all of their pains. Like all their pains have gone within 14 hours. It's a very good medicine, and it has no chemical, it has no side effect. So I'm urging everyone who has any back pain, any joint pain due to the causes that I mentioned above, or any symptoms you have seen or any symptoms I have mentioned above, please come to our clinic to get the medicine. It's a very good one. We have a patient who was here before, like he came to we have a patient who was here before. He came, yeah, we have different patients, but this one, he came to the doctor and complained about like he have a vein, like he was walking and the vein cut, like the machine cut the vein, and when we applied although he went for surgery, but the pain did not go, and the hands were like this. It's like he has a stiffness on the hand. The hand were not moving normally as it's supposed to be. It was tight. The joints were tight. They are very tight. They cannot move. So but when he visited the clinic and the doctor applied a leaf on him, and he made some duas for him, like the free duas we used to offer to people, and the leaf, with the help of the leaf, when the man went home and the next day he came, he said he can somehow feel the hand, like he can move the hand little by little. But you cannot just come today and you get what you want. It works like gradually. It works gradually before you will be healed from your pain. So it's a very good one. All those who have used it are coming with the same positive words. They are all coming with the same words, like the medicine is very, very good and it has healed them. And we also have another patient from abroad, like she is from abroad. She's suffering from back pain for over years now. I cannot remember the actual year she said she got the pain, but it's like more than 5 to 6 years. Like I think it's more than 10 years. But whenever she visited the clinic and we applied the medicine on her, alhamdulillah, she is recovered and she is very happy and she has came to the clinic to show some gratitude to doctor, telling the doctor that the leaf has cured her, though she have gone to many hospitals, like she has done many surgeries and many this thing, how to call it, he has gone on under many operations about the waist pain, but nothing was done. Like she has been taking medicines, but the medicine did not even work for her, because the medicine she was taking, she have to take it for every 6 hours, and which is not a good thing. Like she suggested to be taking medicines for every 6 hours. So when she applied the leaf on her, when we applied the leaf on her, like within 3 days, like all the pain was gone, and she was very, very happy. She came to the hospital to show some gratitude, and she is even sending some people here, like the people she know, like the people who is suffering from pains, like back pains, knee pains, any pain, like any muscle pains. She's sending them to us. For them to take the treatment. So if you know anyone also who is having any back pain, who is having any muscle pain, any stiffness, any arthritis, like you can tell the person to come to our clinic. We are located at Senegambia opposite Ecobank, just near Smile Lodge. That's where we are located. Or you call us on this number 207-8568, 207-8568, 207-8568. Okay, I'm body manding call. Mamu be kontona wula rural ba nyaadile comme albe yalo nyamen kalam Dr. Buhari la assistano Dr. Multi mi yalan ko ataka Dr. Multi mi yalan ko ataka jaralo reke atara jaralo fo base tamen kam wolam bala di mo be ya ko la jara ni momo yalna ko bala di mo soto momo yalna ko ya joint pain la soto ya internal pain la soto wala external pain min yalna ko muscle pain lam atako wala jara anum fanang andake jara la within 5 minutes ni mariya bala di mo soto ba dawa day di mo soto balu bala ake jara la 5 minutes within 5 minutes ake jara le anum fanaka jarro ko nyamen aka ala to la use anum fanang aka ala to use min kira Allahu Akbar ri anum fanang aya fen o mi soto aya londo mi soto amumol bulo kono ako la use pour kamol jara. But apart from that nimboto woto doctor fanang kata multi mi yang kata kiskis ralti andala kiskis ro nyi fanang alota hada madingo bala jaru lo kan anim bori jambul alo kiskis ro fanang kono anata bori jamboje mi yalo ko ata fon la develop aya develop afon yiri ju sabamuta ka nyami bori ju saba kamin nyami anata do grafting procedures ko boro nyim falinta kabrim boro nyim falinta anata nyim boro dada e ka fami yoko ay bori jamala dada e ka fami m orga group ñi mu borol te min yalla ko different borol la bije andi ka different jaralo la ke but bi mba focus la ñi ndongola kam baake this MP leave because ata mu fennete mi yalla ko kulu kana borolam ni momo yalla ko kulu ko ke dimile momo yalla ko e ka kulu dimos e ka kulu kono dimos tole banta fo banta lam fo kono tol ke dim bam fo la skin banta la ke dimi bam like ataka bere jara ñi boro niyama 14 hours and 14 hours of fonka sometimes ika jela ko ila dimo katale wala niyata sometimes ika jela after 14 hours niya bondra ika jela dimo katale so mina expect na la yimboro ataka min jara like one aka joint pain jara le dinko joint pain wala kulu kono dimo te mi yalon ko joint soul comme niya jela choko dimo ako jara le so min ko choko dimo ko swolam ako it can be caused by various factors including arthritis, injury or trauma to the joint, overuse, oversue or strains, inflammations and autoimmune disease. Wala ka jara ni ko namin mention tan wala kon min yalon ko arthritis mu fennati mi yalon ko aka cause le by maybe metabolic disorder, infection of ananka cause le feng fananka cause le mi yalan ko near forced use like ni joint into any physical thing maybe kelo wala boitale wala fennekete singola dal wala ka cause wala ka joint pain cause. Although mini baby young, they are all similar in explanation, or they are similar, and it will be bit hard for na explain in Mandinka like maybe fatam panza. But come joint pain mo yal no ko kul kono dimo nying choko dimo min ka cause sometimes fongo like ni singo bote ko to wala ni parkasta wala ni fadita fenna e ka jele la chokol ke muta ake dimi wala sometimes fanang sumaya ka cause le akela chokol dimi like ni fadita fen fana na fanang katin na ka dimi so comme ni pour ni te joint pain to ibala na nyaadi la ko kul kono dimo la bela ko choko dimo la bela iba jele la ko ila maybe mbanna fay kumbalingo maybe ni atare joint pain mbanna kumbalingo use ni atara kumbalingo la be dimi kam iba sense ol min jala min bati na comme min be to convincing la hani atara dimiti ye like ni atara dimo ma wara je baka fon war min be convincing la ko joint pain la be tala wala ko iba jala le ila kumbalingo ngaba stiff la le hani la fa ka kuba kuta kuke like ita kala no wala ni dafa ka ton wala sangam wala dafa ka fenke wala ke tama fo normally ibuka ke no wala ka wala ni aussi baje stiffness o nyinje misal no ko joint pain la bela fanang do fanam bije ibaje lele aba yiti lale ikaja ka swelun aka yiti ikaje kumbale ko yiti ka dol jela hani fadita sometimes ika fadila fongo ibuka kalam to ko fadita fongo la because kulolam sometimes ni fadita instant ibuka feel for after le kana pain yin feel wala after le kana je ka yiti tale so ni yito nyim fanaje je misal no ko joint pain la bela andum fanang ni fadita fengola sometimes ikajele aka wule sakatma mo ko yol min yalla ko la fatol light tale la skin light tale min yalla ko koy tale wala hani min heral ta do mandim fang ikajele hani fadita dulat ni ma feel after ni side ikaje jebe wulering ika fa nyunta singa wulering fom fadita fenna la ba ikajele yellow yin ka kuf je wo yellow min ka kuf je wala ka na redness in around the joint and also the limited range of motion ninko motion walam limited range of motion walam ko ila ko bu kasiya dal ila movement bu kasiya because ita fongo fe ka feel ko nin tamata nying long distance wala nañu action ke mbadi mo feel la le so fanang nyane ka tandila ko choko di mo la bela andum fanang tenderness jekane wala bañu ko be jekane mi yanon ko ka fini la andi imalon kom wayni be kakila isalon ko joint pain la bela like atenia soto enana loptano to ni nana clinic oto na bodi ken ba soto jana mi yalon ko ni yakije ibaje la within 14 hours rek ibaje la dimo bit halal and again fanang fendo fanang bije mi jala muscle stiffness comme na explain nyamo ila yellow man tara circulate ka normally ka stiff bulol ka stiff wala sometimes ikajele ni balaring hani e fon saba isingol ka stiff akidimi so ni also they san ko fanam be mu fenati is a muscle pain mi yalla ko nyande ka wulala ko wala because comme buko aya fo nyame buko to ako it can result from over exertions prolonged and physical activities most of the time fanang like ni engage into physical activities maybe ni ko physical activities like kelol wala football or tenting bake ko na boro fana spele ko do fana bi ko posture stress dehydration and certain medical condition has fibroid so ebo fana jelale min fana ka muscle stiffness fana cause bage sometimes fana near medical condition soto min buko fibroid ako fanan kosi la ni o fanan soto e ka jele ila musulul ka stiff sometimes fanan ni dehydrator wala like ni ko ji jamata ibuka ji jama min e ka jele sometimes fanan ila musulul ka stiff because ya dio ni ti balo ko na pour ya hydrate always sakatuma tilikando ko e ka jele idulal ka stiff idulal ka ikani kan ko na fon ka jale kan o ka stiff para ka jale so nyanda ka tarale always you stay hydrated so ni momo yaje ko ila momo yaje ko like so ni momo yaje ko comme ika stiffness o nying ya symptoms o jala min yalon ko like ni singo stiff wala la muscle stiff ta comme ibuka movement o ka bake ni ma movement o ka no isal no ko stiffness wala muscle pain lam performing activities fanam multi pain and discomfort ibuka comfortable fanam with stiffness because atamu finna mi an ka kedi mele so ni momo yalla ko like am woke batandile isina na loptano to na boro su kale jene ga fami mp leave ataka musulo mutale a relaxing di completely abat nani atare la musulo stiff tale mi yalla je stiffness obe bon la jandu fana ba relax lale and another thing parang na back pain so tole back pain ada fanang sa cause no ni mo mi ko di mo so back pain as a cause no like la back a cause le wala ni mo hit iko to ika jele yo be so do wala anything mi yalan ko is discomfort with wala heavy jobs heavy do ko mi mul ka most of the time ning julu sabol ni ning cement dal ni blokol ika jele be ka back pain so but back pain pana ni asoto iba symptom mo dol jele min yalan ko like ila Asian pain like dimo mi yalan ko be dimila to an extent that ikamira ka ke nganyale like ikoto is either the lower or the upper part or the middle part ikajira be ke dimi sudden or stabbing pain that radiates down like dimo nyi kamutale aka bondi koto aka jife singol to mi ol beje salno ko ye ko dimo la soto anum fanan ibuka flex no like ibuka kuke no comme min yalan ko man tara pain ko sa min ke no too much of movement ibuka ke no so ni momo fa no je salno ko back pain la bela ni yan ko back pain la bela nane na yin leave ke comme the same thing like comme ñini be même be explain kan they are all similar like be mu kula de mi yalan ko be mu kula bare causes wol fana mu ka clear because mu kana with different problems they came with different pains min yalan ko different lam so ya jele the fourth one is arthritis is inflammation of one or more joints can be caused by factors such as aging wear and tear on the joints iba jele arthritis fanan min ka cause comme near fenko soto hawto ni kulu dimi jama soto like joint pain jama soto ye pain soto jang wol ko arthritis fanan cause akatina le like inflammation wala miyal ka tara aba na aw bola janne ay jijang wala jijana so fanan ya fer momo yo sa sifa fanan soto anda to fanan symptoms on minti wala ila kulol ke dimile one aka yiti la fanan two and also fanan stiffness fanan soto le redness fanan ko fanan soto le and fanan aka deformation in several cases like atakana like in several cases so ni momi fanan yo symptoms sifa fanan soto please ise borna loptano na ena ni mp leave ke alay mp leave jela sa jama la jara aka kul kono dimi jama la jara different kul kono dimo ni asoto nimboro ka be la jara sprains and strains fanan ako fanan jara le like stretch Nico strange and strains one of bones the meaning to connected to each other like ning santo bones or ni bones will connect to each other new pain finansoto ikajala ako fanan jarale nimboro mburret mi yalon ko like it's very effective and moti je mi yalon ko ya useless inate ko la sasal manjara momo ya use for kodi mo lambang for spinal cord lambang for how to call it waist pain leg pain, foot pain, momo pain so da ni nata na clinic odo like ni na nyimboro ke ika ni nyimboro ke aka walk le aka overwork yele aka effective le very effective because the patient jama jani anan ko inata janne different patients kabinne nyinke ibalol bala like ila dimol bela tata because the patient do soro jang way joint pains la soro like I leg pain la soro a singoto for 8 good months abuka tamano and abuka fenkeno ni mama koy abuka wulino wa fongo ya abuka sino dam walk stick muta but kabranga na clinic oto na ñi leave taye within 30 minutes kabi hit ni start ka sele after abije like amira for 1 hour or 1 hour plus after doctor ñi nata treat doctor ñin duwata e kon ay londo ñing aduwata e pour ala jata kende ya because wala tara do koti after ko kambano ñi ko ay wuli ay tama kambano ñi wulita aba tama ta fon e like a fon ma believe no overjoy tale fo labo nga amede no fire fo ako ate karisi ndimo like abuka fenken wa fonga damate mama koy so bibi rek anda tar loptanol to tar dula jamal tole na tari ka fulo ko imam fenja balo kono but an ka bana ta jang like nani boro may doctor ya treat doctor duwata anu ngata boro bondi wato pharmacy like kambano nying ala fenko ata pain nying it was bit down atatale ala pen ni jitale anum fanan atraita le pour kata man wa fonga abata ma kan fonga so alota mo kata ma fonga wala foni ta fe ka do kari sei aba sirna ko ko ken wa fonga dama to mol mama ko wala dama do ko use so ali ajere na comme na mo jama so to le min yalon ko inara na clinic ko to le like enyimborol use like and like ibotale for out dolta for Senegal operation dolta for different countries operation but hanwo imang kende asono ila pen mom bonino ila pen mom bonino bala so ali ajala like ba mo be och kan ni momo yala nako ya join pen la soto wala muscle pain la soto wala back pain la soto wala arthritis la soto wala anything la soto mi yalon ko is a comme mi yalon ko is a muscle pain dal anna na clinic oto boro bi jane mi yalon ko aka mo jara within 14 hours ila pain be la kata mol kana le ka treatment ota ni ata la pain metal isina treatment ota because one day ni otati na ay kende ya so isina na treatment ota ni mare treatment ota iba alhamdulillah ba jere le andi fana ba improvement ba jere le ila pain ni na karoto ok sama mbokki Gambian si maa ngi leen di nuyu man la seen jaaxa bi Fatmata di assistante docteur Buhari docteur mooy nit koo xam ne daf day faju all types of body pain soo amee body pain soo ñëwee si docteur daf la day faju si loolu tamit docteur dafa nekk nit koo xam ne dafa gëstu ba 22 years mu ngi si àll bi di uti garab yoo xam ne comme daf day faj dina faj nit ak garab yoo xam ne dañ baax am nañ different médecine fii am nañ garab yi yoo xam ne comme si kanam dinaa introduce garab si waaye tey moom suma focus bi bii la tey moom si bii lay gën a focus garab bi MP Live bi mooy livre boo xam ne mosul MP Live bi mooy livre boo xam ne it was based on doctor's research over 22 years mu ngi research garab bi te it's for muscle pain it's for lii xam nga soble bi like thank you very much like soo ko amee like soo amee pain ñu la defee lii daf di am 14 hours balaa ñu génne lii bi and after that pain bi yëpp a di dem and again garab bi it's something boo xam ne it's for all entire like and general body pain it's for general body pain it's for general body pain la boo xam ne comme pour sa lifin pour sa métti yaram bi rek soo amee any métti sa yaram bi like soo amee any joint problem any back pain soo amee ribs faari yu métti ndiga yu métti tànka yu métti any pain boo xam ne daf la dee sonal rek daf la jaaxal ñëwal si docteur Buhari mu tegal la livre bi is very very important am nañ li fi livre bi daf dee faj lu different types of pain joint pain daf ko dee faj muscle pain daf ko dee faj arthritis daf ko dee faj any pain boo xam ne comme da nga dem hospital ñu ne pain bi nga am ñëwal si docteur mu defal la MP Live bi something loo xam ne is very very effective and again soo leen starté di use Live bi doo leen start di use Live bi so am nañ liste boo xam ne comme pain bi like Live bi lu mu dee faj si nit mooy one you have joint pain pain la boo xam ne daf di cause through different factors including arthritis, injury or trauma to the joint, overuse or strain, inflammations, and autoimmune disease, lupus. So all these are causes of joint pain. So they don't have joint pain. Joint pain most of the time, lu mu nekk di explain fii joint pain lu ko dee cause mooy arthritis daf ko dee cause arthritis su ko causé injury daf ko dee cause too and again like so overuse sa boppa like nga nekk di liggéey especially these hard jobs daf dee cause joint pain so comme dangay gis symptoms so overuse sa boppa ak yooyu noonu nga symptômes boo xam ne moo lay wane ne dégg-dégg kii dafa am joint pain mooy symptômes yi am stiffness sa tànk bi wala sa loxo bi dafay stiff su dee comme sa joint bi foofu mu ngi métti dafay stiff and also dafay niiwi te also su niiwee da nga gis su dee sa skin bi dafa light da nga gis encounter redness of the joint comme deret bi bu fa dee nekk deret bi kolo bi deret bi ngay gis foofu te loolu moo lay wane ne yow da nga am joint pain because normally blood warut to stock at one place blood bi dafa war a circulate sa yaram bi blood bi su stocké at one place xamal na ne comme da nga am joint pain wala da nga am any muscle pain soo amee loolu mun ngaa ñëw si clinique bi fii si docteur Buhari am neen garab boo xam ne garab bi lañ dee use am neen garab boo xam ne comme lii suñ la ko defalee like within 14 hours daf dee dem and also garab bi loo xam ne it's very very good and dafa effective and also it's something loo xam ne comme amul benn chemical amul benn side effect and again muscle stiffness tamit soo amee muscle stiffness like comme nu ma explain fale it's just like soo amee joint pain daf dee leads to muscle stiffness so muscle stiffness tamit is something loo xam ne daf dee caused by stress sometimes so stress daf ko dee cause sometimes so dehydrated daf ko dee cause sometimes so involved in any physical activities boo xam ne is a hard one boobu tamit daf ko dee cause so stiffness bi tamit comme daf dee lifin stiffness bi tamit da nga dee gis symptoms yoo xam ne comme tightness comme daf dee digir du dee mun a move like comme nu mu war a move nii like for example xaaral ma use ma loxo bi nii like fii dafa stiff like fii moom mu ngi move normally so fii su stiffee lii du mun a waaca unless nga force ko nii waaye du mun a bend comme joints yi du mun a bend pour mu mun a function nii I understand so comme soo gisee loolu da nga xam nga ne muscle soo gisee muscle stiff bi xam nga ne comme da nga am stiffness comme da nga am lifin xam nga da nga sa muscle bi dafa stiff and also doo dee mun a comme nu ma doon waxee doo dee mun a move normally like du dee mun a flex pour nga mun a move sa joints yi too and again thing da nga dee am difficulties in moving comme nu ma nekk di explain like it's the same thing and another thing da nga dee discomfort because daf la dee xatal daf la dee sonal te daf dee métti so su amee joint pain comme da ngay am discomfort because discomfort bi tamit daf dee come from like soo amee pain comme maa ngi si pain bi du ma comfortable daal even nit yi suñ bëggee def dara man moo ko mën a def because maa ngi si pain so loolu yëpp soo ko gisee loolu yëpp comme soo ko bàyyee xel si sa muscle bi da ngay xam ne da nga am muscle stiffness so pour luy contrôle muscle stiffness bi tamit mooy nga ñëw nga teg garab bi daf dee contrôle muscle stiffness and again back pain ñoo xam ne dañu am back pain mooy maybe ndiga bu ay lii naka la waat sa gannaaw bu métti wala faar yu métti comme fii seet si faar yu métti wala gannaaw pain comme loolu tamit is another thing loo xam ne garab bi daf ko dee faj comme the same thing la rek garab bi daf dee faj all types of pain daf dee faj arthritis and daf dee faj everything xam nga like daf dee faj lii yëpp so ñoo xam ne dañ am any muscle pain like any muscle pain any joint pain any arthritis pain ñëw leen si docteur ngeen jënda lii bi xam nga naka MP leave bi ngeen jënda ko si docteur so dinaa dellu si English word like I was explaining this leave. It was not that clear because I received the message not long ago, so I'm trying to go over it to explain, to understand more about this pain leave, and I want everyone to be patient with me. Like I'm gonna lañ ko seen so foog ma xam what are all these things in scientific names and all those things. So when I joint pain one, it causes of joint pain can be caused by various factors, including arthritis, 1, 2, injuries or trauma to the joint, overuse or strain, inflammations and autoimmune disease, lupus. So all these are causes of joint pain. And again, we have the symptoms of joint pain. Symptoms of joint pain may include stiffness, swelling, warmth or redness around the joint, limited range of motions, weakness and tenderness. And number two, it's also a muscle stiffness leave. Like stiffness is something tamit loo xam ne da nga discomfort, and it causes by the stiffness is causes muscle stiffness can be results from exertions, prolonged physical activities, muscle injuries, strains and sprains, poor posture, stress, dehydration, and certain medical conditions such as fibrom, fibromyalgia or myofascial pain syndrome. So the symptoms of the muscle stiffness, symptoms of muscle stiffness include tightness or tensions in the muscles, reduced flexibility, difficulties moving or performing activities, and pain or discomfort, and muscle spasms. Muscle spasms, is it spasms? Muscle spasms. So all these are joint pains, muscle stiffs, like dara mo comme kula ko kuwulu dal from joint pain, like you have the stiffness, the muscle stiffness, and also like sometimes you have back pain. So the back pain also, if you have back pain, you come for this thing. What Lum nekk di explain fii for the back pain, it said back pain can be caused by a variety of factors including muscle strains or sprains, ligament injuries, herniated discs, spinal stenosis, poor posture, obesity, sedentary lifestyle, and stress. So all these things are the causes of back pain. Li yëpp moo dey cause back pain. And again, the symptoms of back pain may include dull aching pain in the lower, middle, or upper back, shooting or stabbing pain that radiates down the leg, sciatica, stiffness or reduced flexibility, difficulty standing upright, and muscle spasms. So amee back pain comme daf dee tax doo dee mun a taxaw, like doo dee mun a jóg nga taxaw, wala nga wéru nii, wala nga mun a toog sax nga def anyhow you wanted to do, like doo dee mun loolu yëpp. So pour nga avoid all those, comme ñëw leen si clinique bi, docteur bi like daf ñaanal, te su la ñaanalee si soobee yàlla by the grace of God, pain bi daf dee dem, everything daf dee heal. And again we have arthritis here. Arthritis is inflammation of one or more joints, can be caused by factors such as aging, wear and tears on the joints, autoimmune disorders, metabolic disorders, infections, or injuries. Gis ngeen scientific names yi sax dañ hard. So gis nga arthritis tamit lii moo ko dee cause, nu ma mention ni moo ko dee cause. Du ma mun a dem into any like infection tamit daf dee cause arthritis, like mun a infections or injuries, yooyu tamit dañ ko dee lifin, dañ ko dee cause. So we have to avoid pour ñu mun a am arthritis, we have to avoid all this lu mention fii, we have to avoid everything. And again, if you see symptoms like joint pain, swallowing, stiffness, warm or redness around the point, limited range of motion, and deformities in several cases, loolu nga xam ne comme da nga am arthritis. So ñu dem si beneen page bi mu ne sprains and strains causes occurs when ligaments, the third branch of tissue that connect bones to each other, are stretched or torn. Like tissue boo xam ne moo connect ñaari joints yi, boobu su fa génnee wala mu am any effects boo xam ne comme dafa dry wala dafa stick si biir, moo dee cause sprains and strains, or any physical lifting boo xam ne comme you are into, like comme da nga dee gis ne ñu bu toon joint yi su toonee dafay tax tissue bi bu nekk si biir comme dafay boobu du stick, because joint yi dafa toon, like dafa ubbi, like su ma ubbee lii for exemple xam nga dama ubbi lii dafa tuur. So comme like duma ko mun a dellu like as it is, cause joint la, it's something boo xam ne comme yàlla moo ñu lifinal noonu. Waaye comme danga dee mun a cure, like you can cure it with this medicine, like soo tegee medicine bi, everything will be normal and everything will be, the blood, the tissue will circulate normal. Tissue bi dafay ñëw and everything will be normal. Doo feel benn stiffness, doo feel benn swallowness ak yooyu noonu. So please, ñoo xam ne like dañ am any back pain, dañ am any joint pain, dañ am any sprain and strain pain, ñoo xam ne dañ am anything loo xam ne comme it's associated with pain si yaram bi, muscles pain, anything like nga ñëw pour garab bi. And this medicine also nekkul pour joint pain kese like soo amee constipation tamit soo ko tegee foofu soo amee constipation like soo seeree soo ni nga kono jaasoto ni nga kono jaa fanan soto i ka jele ak wo fanan jaarale within womu waktal with an immediate effect wo amanjariya ta 14 hours wala more wo within 20 minutes come constipation you run to the toilet. Like if you have constipation, like if you went to the toilet and you have your stool is hard, like you have difficulties in like taking out the waste product, like if you apply this thing to your abdomen side or your nerves like below here, within 20-30 minutes you run to the toilet. So it's a very good one too. It's very effective and it's 100% natural. Amut ben side effect, amut ben chemical. So if anybody needs this medicine, please you can come to our clinic. We have the medicine there. It's very effective and it's 100% natural. Our clinic is located at Senegambia, opposite EcoBank, just near Smile Lodge. Today my explanation is not that much clear, but I promise I will come again with a clear information about this medicine, because I just received the message not long ago, and all the scientific names, they are very hard to pronounce and they are very hard to define. So I will make sure I will come back again for this medicine, I will come back again for this medicine, for this leaf, for this muscle, to explain everything in brief, to explain everything in order, like to explain everything clearly and in brief. Yeah. So let me just go back to another medicines. Like this one also is another invention of doctor. This is called the M-Orga powder. This M-Orga powder is a powder that is used for toothache. Like when you have toothache, all you need to do is just take a pinch of it and apply it to the affected area. Within 20 to 30 minutes, everything will be gone, and you don't need to visit any dentist or any doctor to remove your teeth. To use it, you can use it as a tea on a regular basis, as you see it in the image. Like if you want to use it, you can use it as a tea. You put it in a mug, and you add the powder. You add the medicine powder to it, and then filter it with a regular interval. And also we also have another one we call the M-Orga oral spray. This M-Orga oral spray is a spray that is used to cure that is used to control cirrhosis. It is used to control scalp build-up. It even stops the intense scalp aging. It makes the hair grow and it makes the hair neat. It's not only for the hair, it is also for the skin. Like when you encounter when you used to experience skin infection in rainy season, or if you are like a patient to it, you need this to any skin infection, any skin disease, any skin reaction, or any skin discomfort, you need this medicine. And another thing is not only for the skin and the hair, it is also an antifungal spray which work by relaxing the fungi into it's an antifungal which fight fungi in our body. Hence we cannot see fungi with our naked eyes. But if you spray this thing or you put it inside your bag, anytime you feel like that you are discomfort with anything around your body, maybe your skin or your hair, you can just spray to it. It is very effective. Yeah. And we also have this. It's called the M-Orga powder, the M-Orga liquid, oral liquid. This M-Orga oral liquid is a liquid that is used to control diabetes. It's used to control high blood pressure. It is used to control constipation, bile, and gastric. It is very effective too. Like the M-Orga oral liquid. The M-Orga oral liquid used to control 7 different types of sickness in one's body, like 7 different types. Cause diabetes, high blood pressure, constipation, bile, gastric, your lungs, your chest system, and your entire body. It is very effective. People have used it and they have seen the effectiveness of this drug. So you need to get this drug to be at the safer side. And if you are using the drug, you have to be regular on check-in. You have to do check-in, like even you cannot do it daily, but you have to go to the clinic or anywhere by a hospital to check like every week or every 5 days. Yeah, it's very effective too. And again, like it's natural and it has no chemical. You can take it as long as you want. It will not harm you in any ways. So this medicine is very, very good and is very effective, and you cannot have it at anywhere in Gambian hospital or anywhere in Gambian clinic. You can only have this in Dr. Buhari's clinic, and it's limited. It's very limited in stock. Please, so if anybody is not having this, try all your best to come and get this medicine for yourself and for your, like, everyone. Even you are not sick, you can take this medicine, because it clean your lungs, your respiratory system, and everything inside you. So it's a very good one. It's a very good medicine, and all our products are very good. They are all natural and they have no side effect, and they are all leaf based. And again, the doctor is sorry, we also have the eye drop and the eye leaf. The eye drop and the eye leaf, it's for people who are blind, people who cannot see clearly. Again, those whose sights like are not that reliable, they can see but they cannot see clearly, or they are short-sighted or even long-sighted. We have the